Open Blender and import an OBJ file. Link to the free model is in description. Select Viewport Shading. Go to Materials, I am changing color to white. Increase the value of metallic and decrease the value of roughness to create that shine. Now open this panel and select Shader Editor. Switch from Object to World. Now change color to black or whatever. Select Background and press Ctrl+T. This will open these panels. Now open a holographic image in Environment Texture. I am linking the one I used by Sean on Unsplash in description. We don't want the holographic background, so go to Render Properties, and select Transparent in Film. There you have it, a chrome, holographic figure. Now to export a PNG, we first set the camera view. In the View panel, select Camera to View and adjust the angle. I changed my default resolution in Output Properties to 3000 by 3000. Now click Render, then Render Image and save as PNG. If you stuck till the end, here are free models I made. You can use it and tag me on Instagram at the Aisha Haroon.